Hello everyone, today in this video I'll talk about the scholarship opportunities for international students at University of Bristol, UK, and the scholarship for international students. Think big scholarship applications for 2024 are open now. So first they are saying that before start your application, you should read guidance notes, okay? You can click here and after you will click then you can download the read relevant application document to help you with your application. So if you are applying for undergraduate scholarship you can click here. If you are applying for postgraduate scholarship then you click on postgraduate scholarship. Application tips: if you are using a smartphone to apply, turn into landscape mode for a better view of the text. The form cannot save your progress. Complete the application form in one session. Once you submit your application, you cannot make any further changes. You will get an email confirming receipt of your application. So if you are applying for postgraduate, then you can click here on that form for postgraduate scholarships, and then you need to click here to start application. And these are find the course you want to apply, submit application. After applying you will be given an application ID. Okay, so before you apply you need to find the course in which you want to apply and then submit your application. So we come here and take a look about think big scholarship application timeline. Applications are open from 15th November 2023 and deadline is 26th Feb 2024. We notify undergraduate scholarship applicants of outcome in 8 April. Postgraduate applications close 29 April. And okay, they are saying the deadline for undergraduate is 26, deadline for postgraduate is 29. Notify the postgraduate scholarship application outcomes at 24 May. Scholarship and award letter are sent to successful applicants in mid-June. Think big international scholarships. Our scholarship could help you fund your UK study at the University of Bristol. We have invested up to 3 million euro in Think Big scholarships to help international students come to Bristol in 2024. These scholarships are for applicants with overseas fees status who have applied for eligible undergraduate and master courses. Multiple application, one application, so you can take a look here. So these are multiple application. Think big undergraduate awards, think big about business undergraduate scholarship, economic undergraduate and childhood studies, postgraduate business, law. So they have think big scholarship in different majors. They will have different criteria, different scholarship coverage. With our prestigious external partners, we offer a range of scholarship for postgraduate students from specific regions: Great Nigeria, Great Pakistan, Great Scholarship for Justice and Law, Bristol Council Scholarship for Women in STEM. Think Big Development Program. If you are awarded scholarship, you are not if you are awarded a scholarship, you not only receive financial support, you will gain access to Think Big Development Program. The program offers guidance, support, inspiration, and solid framework for you to unlock your potential behind your academic studies. So that was all about Think Big Scholarship. And if you will have any question, you can ask me in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching the video. I wish you best of luck and take care. Bye bye.